Once upon a time, there was a little colorful village. In that village lived a playful rabbit named Rongila. Rongila loved to see colors in everything. Every morning he looked at the sky and asked, "Which color will make me happy today?" He smiled at the red roses. He danced with the yellow sunflowers. He jumped with joy on the green grass. But deep inside, he wished if only he could share this happiness with someone. One day, while walking in the forest, Rongila suddenly heard a sweet tune. He was surprised to see a little boy sitting under a tree. The boy's name was Suresh. Suresh was listening to music with his headphones on, eyes gently closed. Rongila walked closer and asked, "Why do you always listen to music?" Suresh smiled and said, "Because music brings new colors into my mind. Whenever I listen, the whole world feels more beautiful." Rongila happily replied, "Then let's stay together. You will bring the melody, and I will bring the colors." From that day, they were never apart. Every day they played with music and colors together. With red, they sang songs of love. With yellow, they sang songs of laughter. With blue skies, they sang songs of peace. And so, with music and colors, each day became magical. The villagers were amazed. They saw that whenever Rongila and Suresh were together, everything around them changed. Flowers bloomed brighter. Birds sang sweeter songs. Smiles appeared on everyone's faces. One day Rongila said, "Friendship is not just about being together. Friendship means sharing happiness." Suresh smiled and added, "When music and colors come together, the world becomes truly beautiful. So let's all be friends. Let's spread happiness everywhere and make our world the most colorful and musical place of all."